What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up tonight with another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be talking about do while loops. So this is the causing of while loop. So what is the difference? There's not too much difference. The only difference it's in here is the condition get tested last. It's in the bottom. When we're working with while loops, the condition get tested on the top, right? But on the do while, the the block of code or the statement gets printed no matter what. Even if that's false, it still will print it. Or I mean, it still will execute. So this is the structure. The structure how the do while works. So we're going to start with an example. So let's do a variable. Let's give it a name of x equals 1. We're going to do another bar for empty string. We're going to call it text, which is going to be double quotations right there, which is empty. Now over here, we're going to do the do. This is the structure we use, the do, and then curly brackets, and that's where the condition is going to go. And then right here on the bottom is going to go the condition, the while loop. So what do we want to compare right here? So let's do x less or equals to 15. Okay, so what do we want this to be executed in here? So we want what do we do? So let's do text plus equals, we want, what do we want right here? We want x, so concatenate, then quotation marks, and then we're going to be using what do we want it to say. So we want, oh, let's do this really quick. Please, let's do equal. Let's do please subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's do that. Let's use let's close that period, and let's use a line break, and then semicolon, finish, and then we increment x plus plus. So okay, so what we want to accomplish with this is like I said, the one, it will start the one, right? So right here it will start the ones. So no matter what, this statement is going to be executed, or this block of code is going to be executed no matter what. So what's going to happen is that it will execute this first. It's going to go 1. Then it's going to go execute this, and then it's going to be adding to 2. We'll compare that, and as long as this is less or equal to 15, it's going to be keep printing. But when this start to be false, that's where we'll stop. So let's save that. Yes, and there is something wrong over here. Let's see. Bar text. Subscribe to the channel. We're finishing there. X. Oh yeah. What? Well, I'm forgetting the most important thing right here. Let's call it get element by ID. So we're going to use demo. We already know the drill for this, inner.html. So we got equals, and then we got text. Okay, that should give us all that. Wow. All right, so that's what we have. It says 1, please subscribe to the channel. How many times you want to go? Right, it gave us 1 all the way to 15. Let's change that. Let's just do it 1,000. Oh, that's gonna go crazy in 1,000. Oh man, see? Please subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Boom, 1,000. Please subscribe to the channel. Now, if we want this, if we change the values right here for 2,000, this automatically became false. You know why? Because X, it's bigger than 1,000, but at least it will execute this one right here. Let's save that. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. That's it. Well, with that being said, please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you like this do while. Do while it's not that used because you don't usually want to test one statement. You should want to test different ones. It's less often used, but while loop is a lot more. But it's a lot more used. But anyway, so thank you and have a good night. Hopefully you like this short tutorial and do while loops. And bye bye until the next one.